So the first thing that's going to happen is we're going to have a hands-on cloud lab. And this is going to be presented in partnership with a cloud guru, which is a whole team that's been working on this process. Okay. And so, but the first person that's going to kick that off is Debbie Utek. And she leads the worldwide marketing strategies and programs with learning partners for Microsoft's official training and certification products. She's been working at Microsoft for years, doing a bunch of products. She's amazing. She's all about bringing technologies to life through her partner communities. That's her passion. Her talk is how to secure a job in the trillion-dollar cloud industry. Please give a warm welcome for, yay, Debbie. Woo! Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you, Patty. I don't know if it's the coffee or what, but your energy is contagious. It's amazing. Thank you for that great introduction. I'm just going to try to carry that energy forward as well. So thanks a lot, Patty. I'm happy to be here with everyone today. Very excited about this topic of how to secure a job in a trillion-dollar cloud industry. This is no small feat, right? So first, I'm going to start with where we're at today with technology and what that rapid digital transformation in our lives and our work has meant. At the turn of the century, at the turn of the millennium, back in 2000, if you think back to that, the internet and PDAs were the latest disruption in technology. Back then, many organizations were having serious discussions about whether they needed a website or not. Today, internet adoption has risen by 50% of the world's population. So it's unfathomable to think of a reputable business not having a website. The rise of the smartphone started with PDAs, but now 52% of the world's internet traffic comes from mobile phones. So these are really big disruptions that have happened. Now, today, we're seeing new technologies driving similar disruptions across industries. While artificial intelligence has been around for a while, many organizations are just now seeing its potential. All industries are using AI in some form. For example, retailers are using recommendation engines to provide their customers with better recommendations, both online and in stores. Automobile industry is using deep learning models to train their cars autonomous driving, and governments are using chatbots to be able to serve their constituents at any time of the day or night. Another new technology, or with new technology, comes new cyber threats. To keep up and stay protected, many organizations are investing in cybersecurity solutions, with the world spend projected to reach $6 trillion this year. While new technology has brought a widespread disruption, it also brings unprecedented opportunity. In fact, it's estimated that there will be over 149 million new jobs created in technology in the next 5 years. These are jobs like cybersecurity roles, data scientist, machine learning, so building those applications. The digital transformation is creating benefits for both industry and society. The World Economic Forum estimates the opportunity to be 100 trillion over the next 10 years. That's simply massive. However, this opportunity comes with significant challenges. As technology is accelerating, the need for new jobs and new skills, it's projected that by next year, 27% of roles will be net new and need new technology. And 54% of employees will require new skills or to really reskill or upskill to meet the needs of employers. 40% of these employers expect this shortage to negatively impact their business. In addition, the COVID crisis has really escalated inequities for women and people of color. Overall, women's jobs are 1.8 times more vulnerable in this crisis than men's jobs. And the reason is that women's jobs tend to over-index in industries that have been hit really hard, like hospitality, restaurants, that type of thing. Employment situation for women of color is even more dire. In a recent job report, it shows 154,000 women of color have lost their jobs in December alone of last year. So how can we ensure that women are ready to fill these new jobs created by technology, or reskill or upskill in their current job? How can we ensure that employers can fill the shortages that they need? Microsoft's mission is to help every person on the planet achieve more. Part of this mission is Microsoft offering many training courses and options so people can choose the style of learning that fits them best. And we're going to have one of those experiences today with a cloud guru. We want to make sure that the learning experience help people be ready for the job and prepare them for Microsoft certifications. I want to tell you about a restaurant server at Ibiya. Ibiya is a small Japanese restaurant that has been passed down for 3 generations. But they're doing custom machine learning at this restaurant. A server in the restaurant learned machine learning and is building custom AI models to better serve their customers. I love this story because it really shows how anyone can use our capabilities and services to innovate by getting the skills that they need. Whether you're seeking employment as an Azure administrator, Azure engineer, a data analyst, Azure certifications can help you grow your certification and expertise and grow your confidence. And there's practical applications for that. IT professionals overwhelmingly report that after achieving certification, they have a better job effectiveness through things like implementing efficiencies, faster performance, and improved industry knowledge. Certifications help you stand out in a competitive job market. And certifications also help increase your salary. Certified professionals think Microsoft Azure certifications are an important factor when it comes to increasing earning. Our certification journeys start with a fundamental level, which is what we're going to focus on today in the hands-on experience. Here you can learn the basics for Azure, and then from there you can go to associate level training based on the job role that you want, whether that's building applications, analyzing data, or managing cloud infrastructure. So my recommendations for you: we want to meet you where you are, help you gain technical skills that are critical to businesses in their digital transformation. Microsoft Women in Cloud and our partner here today, a cloud guru, who I'll introduce next, we are all committed to help you and your team, if you're managing a team, help you with the technical capabilities you need in today's cloud-based digital world. We're excited to share the learning journey with you so you can get started by identifying the skills, roles, and companies that fit your interests the best. A great place to start is Women in Cloud's job board. Then determine what training you might need or what certification paths might fit those interests. You can do that by going to Microsoft's certification page. We hope that you will get started with Azure training through some guided hands-on time today on the Azure product. As I mentioned, our partner, a cloud guru, is here with us. We call them ACG. ACG is a valued Microsoft partner. They offer more than 1,800 scenario-based labs on their platform, as well as more than 400 courses and 500 practice exams and quizzes, all focused on developing cloud skills. ACG has tons of Azure and Azure AI training, as well as other hands-on labs available on their platform. I would like to introduce you to Amy Coughlin. Amy is an Azure training architect at a cloud guru. Amy and her team will be walking you through the hands-on cloud experience today, and anyone who attends this session will get 7 days free access on a Cloud Guru's online training platform and have access to all those great things that I talked about. But you only have that access for 7 days, so don't waste it. Definitely important. And the first 20 participants who registered for this session and also attend will receive 1 year for free. And that's just amazing. Think about what you can accomplish in a year. So without further ado, I would like to hand it over now to Amy.